guys, in this video I will show you how I create my LinkedIn post using ChatGPT very easily in matter of few minutes, like just 5 minutes. So watch it till the end. So first up, let me give you some context. I found this post on LinkedIn. This is very interesting post and you can see the engagement on this post. This post got around 1500 likes, 154 comments and 338 reposts, and this person has only just 7,000 followers. So you can see how good this post performed, and it's not even original post from this person. So I went through it and I really loved this. This visual. When learning something new, the information you need is this much and the information available is this much, which is very huge. So I wanted to create a post on similar this slide only. So what I did, I took a screenshot, as you can see. Now since I have the idea about the topic and what I want to create, this resonated with me, so I wanted to create the post on this one. So now I have idea that whenever we start learning something, we start with something small. We want to learn something small, but as soon as you start learning, things get bigger and bigger and you go into deep rabbit hole. What was the topic of this post? And what I did, I just simply asked ChatGPT to write me a post on this topic. We want to learn something and there is a lot of things that we need to learn, and then we get overwhelmed, and also include a story in it. So you can see the prompt now, and now I will show you exactly how I write.
Palace, what you cooking?
I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold from bottom to top. My pores only thing hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold from bottom to top. My pores only thing hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. Hit on my lost coming, here we bumming, better get on the floor. Me and my niggas been thugging since we was youngins, yeah, we been trained to blow. Always had them a guard, but life hit hard, and then I was all alone. Life bro so cold, swear to God my heart is all froze. When my eyes shut cold, still for you and all my heart and soul. Please do not play with me, life like you pay me please. And if you don't, that chopper squeeze. Clips longer than a centipede, Glock sing just like a symphony. What the fuck do you need from me? I feel like I'm home, when I'm at my block, I'm home, when I got my Glock, and my heart soul is cold. My pores on the hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home, got my Glock and my heart soul is cold. Bottom top, my pores on the hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home, got my Glock and my heart soul is cold. Bottom top, my pores on the hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending.
Palace, what you cooking?
I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold from bottom to top. My pores only thing hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold from bottom to top. My pores only thing hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. Hit on my lost coming, here we bumming, better get on the floor. Me and my niggas been thugging since we was youngins, yeah, we been trained to blow. Always had them a guard, but life hit hard, and then I was all alone. Life bro so cold, swear to God my heart is all froze. When my eyes shut cold, still for you and all my heart and soul. Please do not play with me, life like you pay me please. And if you don't, that chopper squeeze. Clips longer than a centipede, Glock sing just like a symphony. What the fuck do you need from me? I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold. Bottom to top, my pores on the hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold. Bottom to top, my pores on the hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block. We killing on my eyes. I feel like I'm home when I'm at my block. I'm home when I got my Glock and my heart soul is cold. Bottom to top, my pores on the hot. We ain't never been known for taking shots. We know for sending shots. We spin, we been a fucking block.
And if you want to know how posting content on LinkedIn can get you clients, then check out this video.